In this demo, we will create a parameterized report. So we're going to prompt the user for a product line before we run the report. So to create a parameter, simply just select the parameter button in the toolbar, and then we'll name it line, and we'll call the label for it. So it prompts the user select product line, and then we'll choose the control type that we want to display for the user. So do we want them to interact with a drop-down list, a single list, a radio button control, checkbox, multi-button selection, or text box? I'm just going to select a drop-down. Now to populate the control, we need a query so I can fill in the values for the list. So what we're going to do is add a query, and I'm just going to add a simple query here. I can preview it. Oops, product line. Lines. Okay, and then okay. I can name it, we'll say a line list. Okay, you'll notice that inside here you'll see the line list. Again, it has a ID value, so if I wanted to have like a customer number and then display the customer names, I could do that so that when I select my customer name, it'll send the ID through to the query. We'll send that parameter down. So I'm just going to choose the value type to be a string for this. Hit OK, and you'll notice that the parameter is added to the parameters section. Now what I need to do is parameterize my query. So I'm going to go to my sample data query and just add a simple where clause to the statement. So where this is how we define the parameter. Then inside designer, and I'll just hit OK. And then what you'll notice is when I go to preview now, I won't get any data because I don't have anything for that report. But then as I make selections, I'll notice that I get the motorcycles, ships, trains, classic cars. So this is how you create a parameterized report inside the new designer.